subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to visit the Science City as a request of Rajvi. She's asking what is Science City. She saw it in TV also. Ayun, puntahan natin and let's see what she really wants there. Actually, she's in grade 2 and in modular class. Welcome to the Science City, Gujarat Science City.
We came.
Yes, we reached, but there is a lot of crowd inside.
Yay!
A great view to start. Greenery as you enter. Ahmedabad. And you will see a great view in the middle of the city. Rajvi is looking for a shark actually, as her father told that there will be shark here.
अंदर आई तो खरी
We have to enter inside.
वो भी पकड़ना
Nautusan. I love nature park featuring mammoth.
Hello, mammoth.
Hmm.
Look at this grass.
Yes, this is another kind of grass. What's the name of this grass? Oh, come.
Mama, I want to sit in that grass.
they just make themselves
Hmm. And monsoon also.
and they will start to curve.
Come.
Come, we will go to mammoth.
What is mammoth?
Deer જોડે જવું છે
Deer.
Deer, deer, deer.
Yeah. So this is the nature park inside the Science City of Ahmedabad. It's very nice. The place is cool. There's a lot of trees also. Mostly neem, pepal, and banyan tree. So, yung balete tree. And it really gives us good oxygen in the middle of the city. Who is there? Hey, it's Rajvi! Baby dinosaur is here. Another dinosaur is with water. See the mouth. Wow. Nelly, you should be here. Inside. Go inside. Raju wants to become an astronaut. That's why you're here. Abdul Kalam.
Sorry though.
No. Do best. Why? Take pattern.
Okay, okay. See? Math. Mathematics. The mirror.
Hey, I'm disappeared.
See?
I am.
Both are enjoying the mirrors.
Oh, computer. Lava.
Wait, Raju, wait. And then from here, you can see from here. Okay, yes, that's inside. This is also, and you will see what is inside. It's all, okay, cricketers. This is vibration, electricity.
Come on, go.
Okay, this is like a sun, heat of the sun going to the solar,
Jo,
and it
light
will
જાય
give
ને,
the
light ના હોય તો
energy, that will give electricity.
જો લાઈટ ના હોય ને તો જો બંધ થઈ ગયું ને.
Transformer.
What's wrong with it?
No, when you press it will go out. So electrical. So you have to push, then you will get the there. How much? Energy to kinetic energy.
Sabay, no? Mga laban.
Yay! It's going up and flying.
I love it.
Okay. The sticks have to cross. Wow. Something different. Bye-bye. See, that's amazing. Here, going up already. And we are here in mathematics section. So there is an incredible sound. I cannot understand even how it's done, but they are really amazing. One day is not enough to roam around. Still until night there will be a light show. Pero kailangan na umuwi sa bukid. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And I hope you enjoy our tour. Napagbigyan natin yung batang makulit. At she wants to explore the science and math. Ayan. Pagod na siya. She said she had enough and she learned also. So So guys, that's the end of our tour here in Science City in Ahmedabad. And I hope you also enjoy and learn something new from the city. Kasi ako man, bihira lang makalabas. And a lot of people also don't know the place. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Till next time. Bye!